Hey guys, the videos I'm about to show you are going viral with a lot of creators smiling to the bank. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the same. Check this out.
She walked into the woods and never came back. But what if Amelia Rose never left at all? On the evening of October 12th, Amelia was seen walking away.
So here's a quirky tale from my life. One day at my favorite coffee shop, I panicked when the barista asked what I did. Instead of my usual I binge watch Netflix, I blurted, "I'm training for a marathon."
Which planet in our solar system is famous for its prominent rings that are easily visible from Earth?
As part of our Finance Day series, I will teach you how to create such viral videos in just a few clicks using Clipwise AI. Let's get right into it. So guys, with Clipwise, you're able to create viral videos in just 3 minutes using AI. You are able to create viral videos in different formats. As you can see right here, we have the faceless video format, we have the AI host, Reddit style, and there is the quiz format. All of these formats can help you go viral easily. The interesting part is that you can create any of these kind of videos with your own ideas, or you can simply provide a YouTube link. Clipwise is going to create the video using that YouTube link. So just hold on for a few more seconds and I'll show you how to create with Clipwise step by step. Using Clipwise to create viral videos can be done in 3 easy steps. Since this is a text to video AI, you can simply enter your idea, or you can provide a YouTube link to create the video. That is the first step. The second step is to review the script and choose the narrator. And the third step is to give your finishing touches and download your video. Easy peasy. Clipwise also got a lot of features to help your video go viral. There are a lot of amazing viral themes that you can choose from. There's also the AI viral script writer that can help you write viral script in matter of seconds. And you also have realistic voiceovers. That is a game changer. There's a whole lot of other features from this AI that can make your video definitely go viral. Right now, I'm going to walk you through the process to create your viral video with Clipwise. What you want to do is to hit on create your first video. Right on the next page, you want to log in with your Google or email. Once logged in, you see this interface where you can start creating magic. Basically, what you have to do is select the type of video you want to create. You can see right here, we have viral faceless, we have AI host, we have quiz, or Reddit style, or a business video, or an e-commerce video. So for this example, we are going to create a viral faceless video, and all you have to do is to enter the prompt right here, or put in the YouTube link in this box right here to create your video. So here's what we are going to create a viral video about social media addiction. Make it very engaging. After putting in the prompt, make sure to check other settings before hitting on the generate button. So one of those settings is the language. You can create videos in different languages, as you can see right here. So we're going to leave it in English, and you want to set the duration of your video. You can create videos up to 90 seconds. That is almost 2 minutes videos. For this example, we're going to create a 30 seconds video, and you can also check additional settings, which include the tone. So I'm just going to click on inspirational, and for the style, I'm just going to choose explainer. You can also go ahead to choose an audience and also select the soft animation style. And finally, you want to select a visual theme. So there are a lot of visual themes that you can select from. There's the cinematic, there's the popular Ghibli, and there's children's book. There's a lot of them. You can click on view all to see all the visual theme. I'm going to click on that, and you can see that there's a lot of them right here. There's 3D pizza style, there's the chilled vibe, there's watercolors, there's realistic documentary style. So there's a lot of them right here that you can choose from. And interestingly, there is the hand-drawn storytelling style. For this video, I'm just going to go with the Ghibli style, and then I'm going to hit on generate. On the next screen, you can easily customize your video by selecting the narration, the voiceover. So there are a lot of them right here you can choose from. So let's check them out.
Let's see how smooth this voice sounds with different sentences.
With cloud machine learning, your application...
With cloud machine learning, your
Speak softly, child of the night.
So I find the voices quite interesting. They're quite realistic. For this video, we're just going to go with Steve. So another thing you can also do is select a video avatar if you want that. But in this case, we are going with no avatar. And if you come down a bit, you can also see the script, as well as the images that is going with each of the script. And here you can easily edit the script by clicking on the script and adding whatever you want to add. And you can also easily edit the images by clicking on the pencil icon right here. Once you click on the pencil icon, here you can easily add an image description to regenerate the image, or you can upload your own image from your computer. And you can even add more scripts. Once you're ready, click on next, and it will bring you to this page right here, and you can see the video is generating. So guys, our video is ready. If you've gotten any value from this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. So guys, let's check out the video we have. So I'm going to click on the play button.
Meet Maya, 16, obsessed with scrolling social media late at night, losing track of time and real life outside her glowing screen. One afternoon, Maya pauses. She sees the...
Okay, it sounds really good, but I think the voiceover is being overshadowed by the music. And one good thing is that you also have the ability to customize this right here. So I can reduce the volume of the voiceover.
Meet Maya.
So that the voiceover can be much better. And here you can also change the speed of the video. And you can also change the background music, as you can see right here. If you come down a bit, you can see the caption settings. So you can actually change the caption. You can see different types of caption right here. You can choose whichever you like. And you can also set the position of the caption. Right now it is set to bottom. You can set it to center if you like. And also the active color style, you can change the color of the active caption. And here you can also change the font of the caption. You can choose whatever font you like. So this makes your video fully customizable. And down here you can also see video overlay. So you can choose different styles of video overlay, whatever you feel like. So there are different styles that you can play with and pick whatever you want to use. So this one has been picked by the AI, and I'm just going to stick with that because it looks good. I'm fine with the video, and I'm just going to click on next to get to the final step. You can see right here, it's generating the video. I'm just going to wait for some few seconds, and my video is going to be ready for download. So guys, my video is ready. What I can do is play the video right here. I can download it, or I can click on the edit button to add more edit if there's anything I want to change. But right now, let's watch the full video.
Meet Maya, 16, obsessed with scrolling social media late at night, losing track of time and real life outside her glowing screen. One afternoon, Maya pauses. She sees the vibrant world around her, real smiles, warm sunlight, something social media can never replace. Maya chooses people over pixels, smiles over likes. She breaks free from addiction, finding joy in real moments and true connections.
So guys, this is really amazing, and here are other types of videos Clipwise can create. You can see the quiz kind of video right here.
Hey young scientists, are you ready to test your brain with some fun science questions? Let's get started. Question 1. Which planet is known as the red planet? Let's see if you know your space facts.
So guys, let's check out how much it costs to use Clipwise. So there's the monthly starter plan, and this costs about $25. They also have the creator plan, and they have the business plan, and this is if you are paying monthly. But then it is quite cheaper if you want to pay yearly, and with this you can get the starter plan for as low as $10 per month, and then the creator plan, and here we have the business plan. So if you're really serious about making money with this kind of videos on TikTok or YouTube, then you can save 60% of the cost by going for the yearly plan. So guys, let me know in the comment section which of these kind of videos would you like to start creating using Clipwise. Do you want to create a faceless video AI host, or you want to try out the quiz kind of video? If you want to try out Clipwise right away, use the link in the YouTube video description or go on clipwise.ai. I would advise that you create multiple of these kind of videos, upload daily and consistently on all social media, and definitely you're going to see results and the money will start to come in. Short videos are monetized on YouTube. They're also monetized on TikTok and other platforms, so you can try out these platforms right away. So start creating, and I'll see you in my next video.